I will force the output to any other address. I have too many addresses, right? So I can put here N7 colon 4. In N7 colon 4, it will be what? It will be N7 colon 4 plus N7 colon 10, which means transmitter 1 plus transmitter 2 reading is going to be in N7 colon. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
I have only one instruction at the time. I'm not going to get you in any advance.
Is that an add instruction that you have?
That's, I'm sorry, add instruction. Yeah. Add is the mnemonic for addition. So it's going to take N7 colon 4, which is the reading for transmitter 1, add it to N7 colon 10, which is the reading for transmitter 2, and it will force it in temporary register. I called it N7. So that's heads, transmitter 1 and 2 sum. What should I do now?
Yeah, another add instruction.
Very good. And do what?
Add N740 to...
Okay, why couldn't you do that? We're done with that. N7 colon 20. And put it in where?
N740.
We use 41?
Sure.
What do I have in N7 colon 741? I have
It's your-
transmitter 1 plus transmitter 2 plus transmitter.
Why did you skip 4 to 10 to...
N7 colon 4 is transmitter 1 reading. I add it to N7 colon 10 transmitter 2 reading, and then I put it in N7 colon 4. N7 colon 4 it has transmitter 1 and transmitter 2. So now I'm going to take transmitter 1 and transmitter 2 and add it to 3. Right?
Yep.
And put it in any other now. N7, and here I like really Siemens because they don't force you to put any output instruction. You can leave it like that. Alan Bradley put anything. You can use B3 slash whatever and whatever it is and say transmitter 1 plus transmitter 2 plus transmitter 3. You understand that part?
Mm-hmm.
We got 1 plus 2 plus 3. So when this is on, B3 slash whatever, right? Indication that we added the 3 transmitters. Successful, and nothing happened. Right? Now, what should we do here? Divide.
T41.
N7 colon 41 by 1.
So 40?
By the way, you can use constant. Take source 1, divide it by source 2, and put you here the result. So you can put constant. We'll take transmitter 1 plus transmitter 2 plus transmitter 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
Divided by what to get the average? 3,
Great.
and put the result in 1. In the 7 column. Tell me why couldn't you do that? Since I gave you 3 transmitter inputs. See, you know how to do it.
I can do it. I can do it
I
now.
want to discover you more.
I've never used the add function.
So, I told you I function. Didn't we do that in the
Still don't know how to use the other
presentation?
side of the pen.
Man, why
Add
couldn't you
function,
just guess
what
and
it
figure
does.
it out?
Add function, what it does. Right? So, we are able to get the average for the downstream motor. Okay?
Well, what if one of the transmitters is broken?
That's another story. I don't want to do it now. We are not going to, you know.
Yes.
You have to. I'll tell you quickly here, but I want to get into something. I have here the downstream water level, the one in here. Huh? Okay, and then I get the threshold here. I go between that. Okay? And I take every transmitter. If I am above or below, I eliminate it. I take the average on the other two, but that's gonna take too long. So I take one by one and compare that. I have like dead band. I take that transmitter one and I repeat it for 2 and 3. That's why I'm saying a long story. And I go between certain dead band here, dead band, and if transmitter one, and that's the average, the one in here, 27.30, my average. So if it's above or below, I disconnect it and take the average one too. So I put like condition here. You know, that's the stuff and this is stuff. But I don't want to do that with you right now. It needs one complete course. But at least you know how to get the average, right? Okay. Now, I would like for you to momentary signal to start the motor for 15 seconds, and after that everything clear. What should we do? I have a start push button, and I'm not going to use anything but that. I have the hard, I have the neutral, and I have a start, and I have here motor 1, and when you push start, and you know how you, I know you know. I know myself.
Don't mess this up. We're all
Don't disappoint.
Now, the application is, he's gonna write just one rung. When anyone pushes start, that's the pulse, he'll run the motor for 15 seconds, and after that, everything is clear.
do it one shot.
No, he doesn't need to do one shot because he has the start push button as a one shot.
Oh, okay, let's do the timer.
Very good.
Can do a timer.
15 seconds.
Does the light after it's done or during it's counting?
If you're gonna use for motor 1 light, once you push start, the light is on for 15 seconds, and after that, light off, which is the motor. Everything is clear on the light.
No, Richard.
You said you wanted a light too?
No, motor 1 is fine. You wanna call motor 1 light, fine. That, it doesn't matter, right? What did you do?
Not a
Wrong
timer.
time. Yeah, and then what?
Yeah, you need a mover.
You did that before. No,
Yes.
no.
Yes.
No.
Parallel with the.
Can someone else come? You're gonna run the motor. You have from the timer, enable, TT, or done. Which one you want to choose?
TT.
Why? I want to explain to you why, because I don't have enough confidence that you fully understand that.
Well, I'm
So
gonna
as long as
Okay.
the timer is timing,
Yeah.
it'll be.
Okay, so what he said is right, but are you sure?
I'm
Why?
sure.
Okay, you did have. Come and tell me why.
But you said one run.
I know, I'm sorry. No. Did I say one
That's close to it.
You just got
Let's see. The application is, I'm gonna start the motor. The motor right away gonna run for 15 seconds, and everything, what did you do here? Okay, T4:0, and we're assuming that the time basis one. Now, T4:0 one more time, because I wanna leave you in good hand here, in case if you wanna go hunt for shop in the area of PC or computer. The timer has EN, TT, and done. You understand that?
Yep.
Remember? T4:0 slash bit, and I have the accumulated value. Before I start executing, what do I have here? And what?
No, yes,
No,
before you
before
start,
executing.
everything's zero.
Yeah.
And that's it. Now, once you understand something like that, I don't think you'll have any problem. But do like me. I have my own technique. I want to start something with pulse. I know I'm gonna do latch with what and drive the motor. He latched here by the TT bit. Do you think it's right or wrong? You are not sure.
Well,
Doesn't
I
seem-
think
it doesn't seem necessary.
he needs to be enabled.
Okay, we try both. Scan input, update input image table. That's part of the RAM, right? I have in the RAM here only start, right? Execute the program, and then I have here the hot, and when the run is true, triac switch, by the way, you understand, it's AC, so the current positive and negative, right? Okay, so drive the up. Here I have what, before I push, 0 or 1?
0.
0. Here, before I execute the logic for motor 1, that's the output image, what do I have?
0.
0. Do I switch the triac switch the AC? No,
Not yet.
not yet. Remember the cycle? Okay. Now, operator gonna push that. What happened here?
That goes to
1.
Goes to 1. Let's wait here and see. When that goes to 1, start, I'm gonna put here the start. When the start goes, it's gonna go 1 and 0, right? Because he's gonna push and leave his hand. But as he push, the enable is
1.
TT,
1.
down,
0.
and here I'm gonna start it like you. Right? At that point, what's gonna happen the next scan for the T4:0/TT is true, right? Okay. When T4:0 slash TT is true, it's gonna latch. So it doesn't matter. He can remove his hand, the operator, right? Because that's true. And I lost it at start. Right? I lost it at start. It doesn't matter. I'm latching. Here I was 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 15 seconds. What's gonna happen? Here is still 1, 0, 1, and I am 15, right? And at that point, the motor, the logic here goes 1, right? At the very beginning, as he pushes start, TT is true, so it's gonna drive the motor, and I am switching the motor. The motor is running once the operator pushes the start, right? But in the next scan, after 15 seconds, I lost the TT bit. The start push button is open, right? So I lose the enable here, I reset it. And I'm waiting for the operator to push start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need your attendance now, please. Do you understand that? Or not? So anytime you want to start motor by any pulse signal, that's what you're going to do. You latch it at the TT. Okay. Now, if I want to turn, if the specification is different, okay? And as the operator pushes start, I want to start the motor 15 seconds later. Who's going to balance here?
Oh, sorry.
I need someone to help me.
David, what are you doing?
David?
No, I don't know what you're doing.
Okay, come on. He's the PLC man.
You're the only capable one. In
We can't give the visitor to, okay.
No.
Let's see him do it.
Come and do it, sir.
What's that?
No, he doesn't like to do this.
No.
No, no,
Long
this.
times.
No,
Yeah,
not
so you
this.
can do it in your sleep.
No, he's microprocessor more.
Microprocessor. Just you.
Can't keep doing the same stuff.
What are you doing, 8051?
Huh?
The 8051?
Yeah,
Processor.
yeah, I done all of them.
Both of us did the 8086. I did the 8051 microcontroller. Did you study it here?
Yeah.
That's what they use here in the microprocessor.
Do they use 8051?
Yes.
I was